Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jyoti. You can call me Jo, and Shruti's with me from a whole new
Hi.
location.
Yes, I'm basically right now in Pune for a shoot
Yes.
and sitting in a vanity van जो मैंने किसी तरह जुगाड़ लगा के arrange किया कि please ना 15 मिनट के लिए
So
vanity van दे
cute.
दो.
Yes, very
So it's
sweet.
good fun. Yes.
I
So
have
should I tell you? Should
specially,
I tell you
I
what I was
mean,
shooting for?
if you can, if it's not top
I can
secret.
sneak peek I will give, especially for you guys and for you, Joe. Okay, so basically, this is TVF. You guys have heard of, right? You've heard of TVF. TVF does like a lot of things.
Yes.
So TVF का एक season 1 of this series called Hostel Days is already there on Amazon Prime. So this what we're shooting for right now is season 2. This is all I
Ooh.
can tell. इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं
So
बता सकती
all,
अभी,
oh
but
nice.
yeah,
Hostel Days. So
Hostel Days.
Hostel Days
TVF
fans, Shruti will be in the next season. Just wait for it.
Yeah, next season, I think episode 1. And आंखें ऐसे करके देखना because I will come and I will exit. So, you know, I'm living the dream by like 1 second.
That's okay. You know where I lived this dream? It was in Mission Impossible with Tom Cruise. Yes, I was also
Oh my
there
God.
for like 2 seconds. In one frame, I was like, I've done it. Now I can retire.
It's so funny. But
It's
dude,
fun.
this is so good, right? Yeah.
Yes.
You
being
should
on
do
set
more
is-
though.
Acting has never been my thing, but whatever. Let's not digress because I'm very excited about the song that I pulled
I
you
know.
out of the shoot.
So
for.
I want to tell you before we go any further, you know, this dialogue is meant more for you because the amount of stuff you've done in life is like, अब क्या क्या करें life में? मतलब इतना तो नहीं होता ना? So it's like
You are going
But
to
what
make.
are you excited?
You're going to make me blush. No, I'm excited because Brother V is back with a track. So
I know you've been his huge fan forever.
Yeah, it's been I mean, got introduced to him through a friend from Bangalore. It's just and that's it. Like his earlier tracks, everything I was hooked. And the other like sort of Hindi rappers and stuff, we anyway knew because we the music labels used to send us their songs.
Correct.
Correct. Radio station. If you're a music programmer, you get all that music by default anyway. But Brother V, I discovered through a friend and been a huge fan. So all the people who keep requesting for his older stuff like Giri Nandini and Vaishnava Janto and all those, we've already heard those. That's why we've not reacted to them. The ones that Maddie and I hadn't heard from his newer lot, those we reacted to on the channel. There's Vanko.
Right.
We reacted to Shook Ones, the freestyle, and I think one more we had reacted to. I'll link them all here. But it's been a while. The fans have been waiting, and he's finally back with a new track. So
oh my god,
and for me, like personally, he's got the best bars, so I am super stoked. It's called Flex, so we know what it's about. He's gonna be flexing, but in Brother V style. It's all right. I'm just like expecting some serious bars. So this is your intro to him, right?
You never. Yes, it is. It is my intro to him. And I've heard from you many times, but I've never really gotten into it. You know what I mean? So I'm in fact just queuing it up as we speak so that I can hit play the moment you tell me.
So he's an all out and out English rapper, and he does mix it up with the South Indian bits here and there. And
nice.
But mainly he is fully in English. So a lot of
and
his
if you're saying his bars are awesome, matlab this one is to watch out for. So I have now high expectations and
I don't want to like oversell, but I'm sure Brother V will
shine through.
Yes,
just like these extra lights in my skin right now.
Vanity van hai, aisa hi hota hai. ठीक है, ready?
Yes.
Let's do
Count
it.
me down.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, play. What?
If talent was affluent, you a candle, I'm a chandelier. The leap of faith I took propelled me out the atmosphere. I'm at the heights that you willfully ignore and fear. You could be Scorpion and still wouldn't get over here. The moves I make send shockwaves across the seas. I can drop you harder than Zimbabwe's economy. They catch strokes like the Mandarin script. Going at me, how you gonna put your fandom at risk? So immersed in the beef when all the verses are weak. Rappers acting gangster but couldn't murder the beat. Ayo, my tack deep in nuance, the fact we can chew on. You don't want this like bat meat in Wuhan. They only get smoke when they claim they're kings and get them bad. It's looking like they got rosacea skin. When my ink takes shape, I must be Rorschach in secrecy. Then nobody, not even Snorlax, can sleep on me. And I be making moves and I get around. Make the crowd go crazy when they hear the sound. Getting it in every pin in every city now. Hit you with the sickest sound, check you when you're out of line. And I be making moves and I get around. Make the crowd go crazy when they hear the sound. Getting it in every pin in every city now. Hit you with the sickest sound, check you when you're out of line. Flex, flex, flex.
Nice.
I make you wanna flex, flex, flex. I make you wanna flex on him, flex on him, flex on him, and go flex on him, flex on him, flex on him, and we go flex, flex, flex. I make you wanna flex, flex, flex. I make you wanna flex on him, flex on him, flex on him, and go flex on him, flex on him, flex on him. Being a vandal on the mic, I'm an innocuous threat. Show you how to draw bars and deposit a check. Every once in a while, they try and spar with the best. They wanna battle somebody who goes to war to get rest. Nah, they can't stand you like the screaming of an ICX. You wouldn't be the shit if you're excreted because of IBS. I'll leave the audience in all like the effects. Y'all the type to leave them in splits like amoeba sex. I leave them shook enough to break the Richter scale. Make the blind see my true potential like I spit in braille. They will see me brandishing the profits when I'm landing gigs. And now they got their legs spread wider than a pandemic. It's illegal the way I spit like I'm in Singapore. When every single rhyme hit like iron swinging doors. The critics wanna debate me with wrong slang, cause I leave them all silent like traitors in Pyongyang. And I be making moves and I get around. Make the crowd go crazy when they hear the sound. Getting it in every pin in every city now. Hit you with the sickest sound, check you when you're out of line. And I be making moves and I get around. Make the crowd go crazy when they hear the sound. Getting it in every pin in every city now. Hit you with the sickest sound, check you when you're out of line. Flex, flex, flex. I make you wanna flex, flex, flex. I make you wanna flex on him, flex on him, flex on him, and go flex on him, flex on him, flex on him, and we go flex, flex, flex. I make you wanna flex, flex, flex. I make you wanna flex on him, flex on him, flex on him, and go flex on him, flex on him, flex on him, and we go flex, flex, flex. I make you wanna flex, flex, flex. I make you wanna.
Okay, I mean,
can we just rewind and watch once again?
yeah,
please.
we have. This has to go on loop. This has to go on loop. It is.
Dude.
Oh, Jesus.
So I've not seen his previous stuff. This is my introduction to him. But if ये ऐसा introduction है तो boss क्या चल? Wow, wow.
I just gotta check who did the music because it's like full on Punjabi vibes. Oh my God, he's only done it. Music, lyrics, and performance by Brother V. Mixing also he's done.
Also the video is so cool. Like, you know, it's not always that you have like a crazy video to go with what you're watching and listening. Oh my God!
His
flexing to another level.
Yeah, his last one, Vanko, was similar, very funny video, and he's flexing in a very chill way. He's like, and he's having fun.
Bank में जाके कौन flex करता है यार? But I mean, unless you load it and you got money, yo, तो दो हाथ से sign हो रहे. Oh, I loved it.
Listen, I have to pull up the lyrics.
You please must do.
We have to, because like every line, every second line, every line, I think was just one bomb.
But I was so enamored with the way the whole thing was. Lyrics pe to, I was like, हाँ lyrics चल रहे हैं. Every now and then I'll go on the lyrics. But there was so much happening in the video that I was like,
I know this needs to be watched again and again a few times to get everything together. But some of the lines, I was just like in shock. Oh my God, mind blowing. So he says, if talent was a fluence, you a candle, I'm a chandelier. The leap of faith I took propelled me out the atmosphere. I'm at the heights that you willfully ignore and fear. You could be Scorpion and still wouldn't get over here. Scorpion is that sports car, I think, with the, if I'm not mistaken, it's got this hydrogen system
extra
in it.
Okay.
No,
okay.
It is fuel efficient and it uses this hydrogen. What is it called? I've read this somewhere. It's called HFI, I think, hydrogen fuel injection. So you basically save fuel and you use water to get more mileage. It's an engineering marvel. Yes. So I think
Elon Musk is behind it somewhere, has to be.
No, I don't.
Somewhere, उसी ने create किया होगा.
I don't think, but it's not electric, but because first when I heard it in the song, I thought he's talking about the Scorpio, the Mahindra Scorpio.
Wow.
But यहाँ पे लिखा है Scorpion, so I think it's that sports car. Anyway, then the moves I make send shockwaves across the seas. I can drop you harder than Zimbabwe's economy. They catch strokes like the Mandarin script. Like the Mandarin script ka strokes, blah 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 blah. So immersed in the beef, and all their verses are weak. Rappers acting like gangster, but couldn't murder a beat. You don't want this like bat meat in Wuhan. My tact, deep and nuanced, a fact thee can chew on. You don't want this like bat meat in Wuhan. Topicality. Like it. I mean, they only get smoked when they claim they're kings and get embarrassed looking like they got rosacea skin. It's that, I think, when you get those red rashes on your skin, that very gross. Okay, when my ink takes shape, I must be Rorschach in secrecy. I may have to Google this.
I think I
don't know if I'm right about this, but I think it's that ink blot thing. It's some psychology thing where you show people these ink blots, and you show people ink blots, and then you ask them what they see in them. It's that. So that's why.
Acha. That psychological.
It forms like different shapes.
The first experiment. Yeah, that tells you about your brain psychology.
Yes, when my ink takes shape, I must be Rorschach in secrecy. Oh my God, this man. Now, now nobody, not even Snorlax can sleep on me. Who's Snorlax? It's with a capital S, so some kind of character, no?
I think अगर हम ऐसे हर
Pokemon
अगर decode.
It's a Pokemon. It's a Pokemon that
reference.
That is a sleepy Pokemon. Okay, nice. Wait, sorry. Let's just go quickly to the second verse before we talk about the beat and everything. Being a vandal on the mic, I'm a knock you a thread, show you how to drop bars and deposit a check. Every once in a while, they try and spar with the best. They want to battle somebody who goes to war to go rest. Who goes to war to go rest?
What a line!
Oh my God!
What a line!
I love it.
Actually, it's not a line. It is a proper flex. I get the song. Every line is a flex on everyone. Like 4-5 run ke use karne wale हम life में.
You wouldn't be the shit if you're excreted because of IBS. That's it. Yeah. You know what IBS is. So anyway.
Yes.
Y'all the type to leave him in splits like amoeba sex. I leave him shook enough to break the Richter scale, make the blind see my true potential like I spit in braille. I cannot with this man. I just cannot.
ये सही बात नहीं है. ये गलत बात कर रहा है वो. ये क्या बात हुई?
Make the blind see my true potential like I spit in braille. Labels see me brandishing the profits when I'm landing gigs, and now they got their legs spread wider than a pandemic. It's illegal the way I spit like I'm in Singapore. Points. When every single rhyme hit like iron swinging doors, do critics want to debate me with wrong slang? Because I'll leave them silent like traitors in Pyongyang.
Dude, he's like killing it.
I can't. He's dropping like, I don't know.
मेरे दिमाग में ना कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है अभी तक so far. अभी I'm like, जैसे inner eyes open and then you realize कि अरे उसके अंदर भी आंखें, and suddenly it's like all eyes are opening going, एक मिनट, क्या बोला?
Yeah.
Wow.
And the thing is,
wow.
The thing is, if you all his references and all are enough to make you win any quiz contest. I feel if you know all the references in his songs, you can win any quiz, any general knowledge quiz.
GK test हो रहा है, हाँ, exactly. But wow,
brilliant. So this, of course, is like true, like Brother V. I'm not surprised at all. But the beat really surprised me in this one. It's so not like what he usually does. It's so like he's mixed the whole like Punjabi vibes with his brand of hip hop, and I don't know, it's just, I think it's the best of every world. right? And the thing is, इस गाने का loopability factor बहुत high है. You can listen to this
very high,
right? On repeat.
अभी 3 दिन तक तो एजुकेशन के लिए क्लास लेने के लिए सीखने के लिए मैं सुनने वाली हूँ 3 दिन. उसके बाद मे बी आई बी एबल टू से कि हाँ अब मैं प्लेजर के लिए सुन रही हूँ, बट अभी तो नहीं, बहुत अभी टाइम लगने वाला है.
Yes, oh my god, in just one listen I can this
entertainment value 100 beyond, like wow.
Yeah, this is how you come back. I mean, the video is fun. It's such an entertaining video. The song is fun, the music is fun, the lyrics are sick, the bars,
I can't get over it. I can't get over it actually.
Right? You tell me, you've been reacting for like over a month now on the channel. What like is this in one of your top like 5 or 3 that you heard so far?
No. एक होता है top 3 top 5, एक होता है बॉस ये तुम्हारा सैंपल स्क्रिप्ट ये रहा, अब इसमें से सीखो और फिगर आउट करो कि top 3 5 क्या होने चाहिए. I'm not kidding, and I'm not trying to diss anybody or do anything over here.
Yeah.
It is very simply, this is very simply blown my mind. Yeah, it has simply blown my mind where it is making me think many things, and I think that's what hip hop should do. It is not just about personal stories. Exactly. It is not just about dissing people, talking about people. It is also about अगर मैं सुनूं मुझे कुछ मिले भी तो सही ना. That's when you know a track like wow, I'm beyond impressed right now.
Yes, like, and the thing is, it's a flex. It's called flex, but even within the flex is so much knowledge. I think
that's how you can flex. Flex doesn't come from money. It doesn't come from showing that you have a lot of power. And talking of power, that time when he's flexing with that ek haath se sab lage, that was so funny. So, real flexing comes from here.
Exactly.
So, if you have the knowledge for it and if you're open to it and you're growing, that's where the real flex, multiple layers of meanings are coming out. Not just lyrical meaning, but like lessons type के meanings. I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ because बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया.
What? This song is worth the hype. It is seriously worth it. And I just can't get over that war wala. Who goes to war to go rest.
I get it now, Joe. I actually get it that why you've been such a huge fan of this man and why you want to listen to his stuff and why you were so excited.
Yeah. I'm going to send you all the other videos and reactions to watch.
Show me, bombard me, tell me.
I will. You will love it. So thank you, Brother V, for coming back and blessing us with this track. Love it. And thank you, Shruti, for joining me from your vanity van. Madam,
my 2 minutes of glory, where, sets पे people are going to treat me like shit, like, कौन है ये, कौन है? यहाँ पे हम लोग, before, इससे पहले कि सबको reality पता लगे, at least I should have my hashtag actor's life moment in the sun.
Take lots of selfies, post them on your Insta. Follow her at Shrutspa. And we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.